All right, third graders, we're going to look at Unit 22, Day 1. We are working on organization. The rule is the way you organize your writing depends on what you are writing about. We're going to look at the two paragraphs under A. It says, Michaela is writing about how to set up a new fish tank. Read the two explanations. Write an X next to the one that is organized more clearly. So here's the first one. When you set up a fish tank, put plants and gravel in it. Put the fish in, but you have to make sure the tank is clean. The water has to sit for 3 days before the fish can go in. Use a heater to make the water warmer. My older brother helped me set up the newest fish tank. Here's the second option. It's easy to set up a new fish tank. First, wash your new tank and put gravel in the bottom. Next, pour in the water. Add plants, rocks, and caves. Then put in a heater to warm up the water. Let the water sit for a few days. Finally, add your fish. So if we look at these two examples, which one gives the steps in the right order? The second one does, so we would put an X in the second box. This one is organized using order words first, next, then, and last, or finally. The top one is all out of order, so it makes it very hard to follow. Okay, let's look at activity B. Some words can be used at the beginning of a sentence to show order. Take a minute and fill in the order words you see in the second example and write the 4 order words on the line. Okay, let's check your answers. You should have written first, next, then, and finally. Let's look at part C. Write the form of each of these adjectives that were used in the first explanation. Find and circle the words in the paragraph. Number 1, if we're comparing, we have new, newer, and the third one should be newest. Number 2, old, older, and oldest. Pause the video and try number 3 and 4 on your own. Okay, let's check number 3. Should say clean, cleaner, cleanest. Number 4 should say warm, warmer, warmest. Now if you look up above in the first paragraph, you should find the words that you wrote down below in part C and circle them up above.